Yeah, Baretta, Blind Assassin, Gussie, Young Vision, hey, let's go.
We are one, we are the same. Play our part, so we shall sustain.
We shall sustain.
We are the narrators of our story. Let them know, let them see. Acknowledge every piece of me.
I'm hoping that you understand.
I am the narrator of my story.
Though it's hard living with a disability. They say I'm cursed, but I choose to see differently. And even though I might be blind, talking physically, I'm on a whole nother level, talking mentally. I hope you understand now when you get the picture. I want you to kick it for me, I wanna kick it with you. And if I need some help, I know that you're always there. But I don't need it all the time, just so you're aware. Even though I'm blind, I still gotta hustle. They say they want equality, but they have been a buckle. But I don't give a damn, cause my talents keep me lifted. YGB be the team, boy, young, blind and gifted.
Be part of my story, not my story. Walk with us, not for us.
We are one, we are the same. Play our part, so we shall sustain. We are the narrators of our story. Let them know, let them see. Acknowledge every piece of me. I am the narrator of my story.
Take no moments for granted as we have a purpose. Overcoming adversity in the end will be worth it. The beauty of the journey comes with every limitations. Therefore, I'ma leave my mark for future generations. Ha! Let's celebrate difference, cause I got a sense of hope. The greatness of unity, togetherness will cope. In a time of uncertainty, be thankful for what we have. But it's a matter of time till you'll realize and understand. To be humble, respectful, loving and forgiving. But as youngsters today have the tendency to be driven away from the simple acts, truly from our hearts. We playing the game of life, so we gotta play our part. Yes.
Be part of my story,
We gotta play our
not my story. Walk with us, not for us.
Hey!